How to add friends on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add friends on Monopoly Go. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's get started with the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your Monopoly Go app. Once you land on your Monopoly Go app, what you have to do is come to the bottom line, wins, build, album, friends. You have to click this friends option, and once you click this option you're going to get this option of add friends over here. You can click contacts, and once you click contacts you can see that you can add contacts to find friends, and then you can add them. And then if you go back to this friends option and click Facebook, it's going to ask you to connect to your Facebook, and then you can add your Facebook friends, or you can just click invite and invite your friends like manually and add them. So that's how you add friends on Monopoly Go, and I hope you found the process easy and understood it very well. And if you did and liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.